for this video, we're going to simulate what would happen if this was actually a Rubik's void instead of a Rubik's cube. So we're going to ignore these centers and forget that they are not in the right place. And one of the things that can't happen on a normal cube, or that would be where this one and this one need to be swapped. While this one and this one are in the correct place, everything else is in the correct place. So it's only two pieces that need to switch places. So in order, which can happen is the parity error on the Rubik's void. To deal with this, you take one of the ones that is wrong and you put it in the correct place. What that does is it creates, instead of two wrong and two right, it creates one correct and three wrong. 1, 2, 3 that are wrong. If you have 3 that are wrong, you can deal with that because you can put you can move around the 3. So this is green and red, which will come up to the top if you do the middle down, 180 degrees, middle back up, 180 degrees. So that went into the right place. Now this is in the right place, this is in the right place. So that's good. Now we just have to flip them so that they're in the correct orientation. Because right now all 4 of them are flipped. But the pattern that flips these 2 and these 2. So what we want to do is we want to move it from here to here, move it from here to here, and here to here. That way when we flip, it'll flip the correct ones. So the pattern is a very easy pattern to move it around this way. We're going to take this one down, we're going to move it around, and then bring it back up. So down, to the side, back up, 1, 2, back down, over, and back up again. So now we can see that that moved around these 3. So that we can flip this one and this one now, and then that will be what we're trying to do, which will also flip these 2. We do that with the super flip. 1, 2, 3, 4. So what that did was that flipped these to the correct way and flipped these 2. So now when we move this one back to here, this one to here, this one to here, they will all be correct. So we're going to take this one down. Now we want to move it around the other way. So we're going to move one down, one this way, back up, 1, 2, down, over, and back up again. And it's now ignoring the centers because we're assuming this is a void. It is now back to completely solved.